2025 Luxury Black Interior Decor. Mastering dark elegance and bold, luxurious design. Step into the world of bold black interiors, where elegance meets confidence in every detail. The luxury dark aesthetic is not merely a passing trend, it's a statement of sophistication, depth, and timeless charm. In the realm of interior design, black interiors have long been admired for their ability to embody opulence while offering a modern twist on traditional elegance. From focal decor pieces that immediately captivate attention to rich, sumptuous textures that add warmth and allure, black interiors redefine what it means to live in luxury. In 2025, the fusion of luxurious black decor with soft lighting, organic textures, and metallic accents is at the forefront of high-end interior design. The magic lies in achieving balance. Bearing bold statement pieces with subtle warm undertones ensures that spaces do not become overwhelmingly dark or austere. Thoughtfully placed focal wall decor, whether it's an oversized art piece or a stylish mirror, creates visual interest and depth. Elegant chandeliers that cast a soft ambient glow, along with plush textiles like velvet and cashmere, help maintain coziness and allure in black interiors. The result is an environment where each element contributes to an atmosphere that feels collected and harmonious, yet intriguingly dramatic. Imagine walking into a moody living room where deep black walls contrast with gleaming brass fixtures and soft, creamy furnishings. An extravagant black and marble kitchen could serve as the heart of the home, where the intricate veining of the stone counters plays against the sleekness of matte black cabinetry. In a serene dark luxury bedroom, the rich ambience of deep hues might be softened with layers of textured bedding and carefully curated lighting. creating a personal retreat that is both calming and luxurious. Black interiors exude a sense of mystique, power, and luxury, making them an ideal choice for those who appreciate high-end aesthetics and bold statements. Elevate your living space with high-contrast furniture pieces, such as a striking black leather sofa paired with gold-accented side tables. Or introduce artistic decor elements that push the boundaries of conventional design. Sophisticated monochrome palettes, perhaps punctuated with pops of color or metallic finishes, offer an atmosphere that feels both contemporary and timeless. By mastering the art of dark elegance, you can curate a home that reflects confidence, class, and understated grandeur, a place where every corner tells a story of exquisite design. Beyond mere aesthetics, the allure of black interiors lies in their ability to adapt and transform. They complement a variety of styles, from the ultra-modern to the classically elegant, while retaining an edge of mystery and intrigue. This versatility, combined with the inherent drama of dark hues, ensures that black interiors remain a defining trend in luxury design. Whether reimagining a single room or an entire home, embracing the power of black promises to deliver a space that is as welcoming as it is sophisticated. Let your home become your sanctuary of bold elegance and luxurious design.